Guys, I don't boil my fufu. I've cooked my fufu on fire. Let's pound it. This is really correct fufu. Not be the one wey be say person dey do for abroad. Shy. So na pikite de rola. Thank God say I buy this motor. It's like I know that I have a mission in this abroad. Let's do it as we used to do it. This fufu has to follow all the process in this world. Ugwana. The entire community is going to hear of this. They are going to hear of this. All European Union are going to hear that Habi has the real fufu in this Europe. We are done making our fufu. The aroma is aromatic. It's really aromatic. I love you guys. I love you guys. Hey!